So are you looking for new ways to make money online in 2023? If so, you may want to consider using ChatGPT, an AI language model developed by OpenAI. One option is to develop chatbot apps that use ChatGPT to interact with users and offer services, such as customer support or language translations. With the growing demand for chatbots in various industries, this can be a lucrative opportunity. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is through content creation. You can use ChatGPT to generate high-quality content for your website or blog. This can save you time and effort while providing valuable content to your audience. If you have expertise in AI and programming, you can offer consulting services to businesses or individuals that want to integrate ChatGPT into their operations. You can also create ChatGPT-based products, such as AI-powered writing tools, voice assistants, or language translation devices. Finally, you can conduct research and development projects that utilize ChatGPT, such as exploring its capabilities and improving its functionality. With these opportunities, you can generate income and build a successful career using ChatGPT in 2023. As the demand for AI-powered solutions grows, now is a great time to explore the possibilities of using ChatGPT to generate income.